Hello everyone, I am Harvinder, Science Faculty at New Careers Academy. Today I am going to solve CDS 2022 science questions. Okay. So as you know that we claim 90% of questions are asked from our notes. So I'll display you notes as well with each question. So overall, science questions were easy. There are 24 questions from science, 10 from biology, 9 from chemistry, and 5 questions from physics. And mostly questions were from 5 to 6 important chapters like current, electricity, cell, and tissues. So let's start. First question: which one of the following pair of enzymes do not work at acidic pH? So see, we know that pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme which is produced in stomach in the form of proenzyme pepsinogen, as you can see here in notes. So this proenzyme pepsinogen, it gets active only when it enters acidic pH. Okay. So pepsin, it works in acidic pH. So we can eliminate those options which contain pepsin. So we are left with only option C, trypsin and amylase. Okay, so answer is option C. Next question, urea is produced by metabolism of. So see, in human body, waste product is urea, okay, and it needs to be eliminated from body. So urea is produced, you all know formula of for urea, NH2, CO, NH2. So urea is produced from compounds which contain nitrogen. Okay, so urea is produced by metabolism of amino acids, and amino acids are basically building blocks of proteins. So answer is option A, proteins. Next question, deficiency of iron causes. Deficiency of iron, as you can see from notes here, iron deficiency causes anemia. So answer is option A, anemia. Next question, if an object of mass 10 kg is moving with the uniform speed of 10 meter per second, then the linear momentum and kinetic energy of the object respectively are. So this is formula for linear momentum, V is equal to m into V, and formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. We know the value of m and v. V is given as 10 and mass is also given as 10 kg. So you will get answer as option A, 100 Newton second and 500 joules. Where two formulas are used. PV is equal to mv and kinetic energy half mv square. Next question, the pitch of a sound wave depends upon which one of the following characteristics? You see, loudness depends on amplitude and pitch depends on frequency. I'll show you notes as well. Okay, so pitch. So pitch is the sensation of brain's interpretation. The pitch is sound that depends upon frequency of vibration. You can see it's star marked also. Important points are star marked. So answer is option D, frequency. Next question, the device used for measuring electric current in a circuit is called. So let's see from notes. So there are two devices to measure electric current, galvanometer and ammeter. Galvanometer measures small current, but ammeter is used to measure value of electric current. So this is also star marked. Answer is option A, ammeter. Next question, again from current electricity chapter. A metal wire of length L and diameter D has a resistance R. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same metal and of the same length but having double the diameter? So see, let's say first wire is R, having rho as resistivity, L as length and A as area. Another wire having resistance R dash is made of same material, so rho is same, having same length, so L, and area is A dash. So first wire area is pi r square, and second wire area A dash is okay. Now see, double the diameter. If diameter is double, that means radius is double. So here radius is 2r square. We get area as pi 4r square. So now take ratio of first wire and second wire, and you will get answer as r by 4. Answer is option B. So we have practiced many questions using this expression. This expression is very important. There are shortcuts also. Option B is answered. Next. Okay, stinging hair of nettle leaves inject fluid in the human body, causing burning pain. The fluid is. Okay, this question was asked in last exam also. So answer is, see, nettle leaves, they produce methanoic acid as a defense response. So very straightforward question. Answer is option A, methanoic acid. Next question. Milk of magnesia is used when people suffer from indigestion of food. It is milk of magnesia. Okay, so we know that milk of magnesia is base, but kaisa base hai? Strong base, mild base, or alkali. So see, pH of milk of magnesia is 10. pH 10 means base is weak. So it's a weak base. This range, 7 to 10 range of pH is weak base. So answer is, it's a mild base. Right. Option B is correct answer. Next question, which one of the following pair of metal are very good conductors of heat? So we know that metals are in general good conductor of heat and electricity, but there are certain exceptions also. Mercury is bad conductor of heat. So we can eliminate option C and D. Lead is also bad conductor of heat. So we are left with option A. Silver and copper, they are very good conductor of heat. So option A is correct answer. Next question, school bells are made of metals because metals are, answer is sonorous. Okay, sonorous means they produce sound. Metals produce sound. So option B is correct answer, sonorous. Okay, next is about tincture of iodine. 3 statements are given. It is an antiseptic solution. Its iodine is kept in alcohol water mixture. Statement 3, concentration of iodine is very low. So we can see from notes as well, tincture of iodine is antiseptic. It's a mixture of alcohol and water. First statement is correct. Second is correct. Concentration of iodine is low. Yes, this is true. Concentration of iodine varies like from 2 to 5%. So 3 statements are correct. So option C. Okay, next, chloride ion. Cl negative is not isoelectronic with. Isoelectronic means containing same number of electrons. So see, chlorine has 17 electrons. One negative charge signifies that एक electron gain किया है. So in total 18 electrons. The potassium has 19 electrons, एक positive charge. So in total 18 electrons. So yes, it's isoelectronic. So ये answer है. S2 negative, 16 electrons plus 2 electron, in total 18 electron. Phosphorus, 15 electrons plus 3 electron, 18 electron. So our answer is option B, Mg2 positive. Magnesium contains 12 electron. Okay, 2 electron lose हुए हैं, तो in total 10 electron. Option B. So this is given about isoelectronic species in notes, and we have solved some other questions as well for practice. Next, in plant cells, Nucleus does not need a membrane, but chloroplasts are surrounded by their own membrane. See, plant cells, they are eukaryotic cells. So nucleus is membrane bound. So first statement is correct. Nucleus is surrounded by membrane, but chloroplasts do not need membrane. Chloroplasts, they are membranous bound organelles. So this is incorrect. Both are not surrounded by, again incorrect. Now let's see from notes. So see, eukaryotic distinct nucleus is present and also nucleus is enveloped. Okay, next about membrane bound organelle. Membrane bound organelle are absent in prokaryotes and present in these eukaryotic cell type. Plants have eukaryotic cell type. So plastids are chloroplasts are types of plastid. So yes, we know that chloroplasts, they also contain membrane. So option B is correct answer. Next question, which one of the following statement about starch and glycogen are protect? So we know two things. Starch is storage material in plant cells and glycogen is storage material in animal cells. So option C is correct. Next, which one of the following statements about the process of photosynthesis is correct? Photosynthesis is, so here light energy is used to split electrons, to split water, and electron is released. Okay, then electron transport chain follows. So option D, chlorophyll absorbs light energy, which causes splitting of water molecules into water molecules and reduction of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is reduced into glucose. Next question, kwashiorkor, a form of malnutrition, is caused by the deficiency of. So there are two protein deficiencies which we need to remember, and those are kwashiorkor and marasmus, and they are given in notes also. So option A, option D, protein kwashiorkor is a protein deficiency. Next question, a patient's abdomen can be examined by X-ray after administering which one of the following metal salt in patient's meal? So see, barium sulfate is used because barium sulfate provides contrast. So option A is correct. Next, for storage of biological tissue, which one of the following is used? So see, liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is kept at minus 196 degrees Celsius temperature. So liquid nitrogen is used to store, living tissues. Option A. In the joining of railway tracks, iron oxide is made to react with. So this reaction is called Hermite's reaction. So iron oxide is reacted with aluminium, and this reaction produces so much heat that iron is obtained in liquid form. Molten iron is produced. So this is used to fill gaps. So iron oxide is reacted with option A, aluminium. Fat in human body is stored in. So let's see from notes. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is a fat reservoir. So fat is stored in adipose tissue. Option A. Which one of the following is a feature of membrane? So membrane means plasma membrane. We know that plasma membrane contains phospholipids and proteins are embedded in it. So here is the structure of plasma membrane. It consists of lipid bilayer and proteins are embedded. And also in some membranes, cholesterol is present. So correct option is it's a bilayer of phospholipid molecule in which protein and cholesterol molecules are embedded. Option A. Next, which one of the following parts of human alimentary canal be of maximum length? So alimentary canal, small intestine. Small intestine, they further consist are divided into three: caecum, colon, and rectum. They are small intestine are longest part of alimentary canal. So option B is correct. So hope you all have done well. Thank you everyone for watching.